Hi, good morning guys. Nick here with Kaizink, and today's process video I'm going to show you how we wash our floods and squeegees. So this is our Ozzywash, our smart washer. What we're going to want to do is we're going to want to turn the power on for the hose here. The switch is right down here. You're just going to flip that switch up. If it's on for a while, it's going to shut off automatically. If you're still using it, you can just click it down and click it back up again, just to get it going back on. All right, so that's going to turn our liquid on here. You're going to want to grab one of the scrubbers, which we typically leave right here. We'll start with one of our floods here. So all of our floods and squeegees we place in this bucket with some Ozzywash to kind of let it break down a little bit. So essentially what you're going to do is you're just going to clean it off. So we're going to grab one of these guys. Scrub the ink off. And make sure you get the wings as well, the sides there. Alright, and we're just going to use the Ozzywash to get some of that stuff off there. And if you have a little remainder that you didn't get off with the scrubber, you can use the bristles on the actual hose here. It's okay. We just don't want to use the bristles on like really thick areas of ink, because in that way it's going to transfer to these bristles, and then they're just going to be smearing ink all over everything else. So at that point, we're just going to set it. I'm going to set it on one of our carts over here. All right, so that's how we clean our flood. So now we're going to do squeegee next. Same deal. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to scrub the majority of the ink off of it, as much as you can get on these guys, because we will end up taking them apart. So you want to make sure that the exposed area that you're cleaning is free of ink. So we're going to do one side, flip her over. The other side here. And same thing, using the hose. All right, and that's essentially it. So now we're gonna dry them off, and then we will bring it over here to the quick clamp to break down the squeegee. So drying off is just that. So we're just gonna grab one of our rags, which we typically have over here on the side of the quick clamp. And you just want to dry it off. Very easy. All right, once you get it dried to a point, then we're going to break it down with the quick clamp. And fortunately, we already have a video on that. And you're also going to want to dry off your flood. The floods do not break down in a quick clamp. You can just dry those guys off. All right, and then once you have them all clean and dry, floods and squeegees all go right down underneath here. And you'll see we have a few different slots down here. The slots are for floods and squeegees. So we'll set that guy down there. And after you break this down and put it back together, that is also where it will go. Thanks, guys.